Good evening, my dear students. How are you all? Today we will discuss about if two triangles are similar, then how about their perimeters ratio? If two triangles are similar, then how about their areas ratio? Just these two are very important in similar triangles in 10th class. We will discuss the concept only. We are not discussing about any of the proof. Why? Because he may give about areas ratio, but this year that is eliminated. So which are the points are applicable if two triangles are similar? Just we will discuss about that concept only. Now, for example, I am taking two triangles. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF. And here these two triangles are similar. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, then what are the points applicable here? What about perimeters ratio? Perimeter of triangle ABC by perimeter of triangle DEF equal to, perimeters ratio is equal to corresponding sides ratio only. What are corresponding sides here? AB, DE. That is equal to AB by DE. That is equal to BC by EF. That is equal to AC by DF. So if two triangles are similar, then only perimeters ratios are equal to corresponding sides ratio. Otherwise, corresponding sides ratios are not equal. If they are similar, then only we can apply. If they are similar, then what about areas ratio? Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to ratio of squares of corresponding sides. What are corresponding sides? AB, DE again. But here AB square by DE square, that is equal to BC square by EF square, that is equal to AC square by DF square. Otherwise AB by DE whole square, BC by EF whole square, in that manner also we can consider. Remember the difference between perimeters and areas if they are similar. Areas and perimeters ratio if they are similar. Remember the difference between these two. Not only this, if there is a median, altitude and angular bisectors. If there is a median, this time I am drawing this median. It is P, Q and it is R. That means AP is the median, P is midpoint of BC and BQ is median, Q is midpoint and here R is midpoint of AB in that case, and here also. Yes, this is median, DS is median, ET is median, FU is median. Then what about medians ratio? If two triangles are similar, if two triangles are similar, then areas ratio equal to, then also areas ratio only. Areas ratio equal to, here this is one of the sub point in this I am writing. This is equal to, that means areas ratio equal to ratio of squares of corresponding medians again. That means here what are corresponding medians? AP by DS whole square. Otherwise we can write AP square by DS square, that is equal to BQ square by ET square, that is equal to CR square by FU square. So here areas ratio equal to ratio of squares of corresponding sides. Not only that, areas ratio equal to ratio of squares of corresponding medians also. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to. ratio of squares of corresponding medians also. Okay, is this same is applicable in case of altitudes and angular bisectors also. That means if AP, BQ and CR are altitudes, if I draw a perpendicular from A to BC, then it is called as altitude. And DS is altitude through D to EF. Then also we can say these three are altitudes for the triangle, these three are altitudes for first triangle. Then also it is applicable. So AP is altitude and DS is altitude there. Then also area of ABC by area of triangle DF equal to AP square by DS square. Not only that, if AP is angular bisector and DS is angular bisector, remaining two also angular bisectors, then also it is applicable. That means area of ABC by area of DF equal to ratio of squares of angular bisectors also. So all of you remember these 3 points. First one is perimeters ratio equal to ratio of squares of sides, and areas ratio equal to ratio of squares of corresponding sides, and areas ratio equal to ratio of squares of corresponding medians, areas ratio equal to ratio of squares of corresponding altitudes, areas ratio equal to ratio of squares of corresponding angular bisectors. So here perimeters ratio equal to ratio of sides only, but here ratios squares of corresponding sides, corresponding medians and corresponding altitudes, corresponding angular bisectors also. And the ratio of squares we have to apply if areas, if you are considering. Remember that, and it is applicable in many of the cases. Thank you everyone. Bye.